Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly a full tutorial on how to install Fawesome TV on Android TV. So let's head straight into it. I want you to go to the browser of choice. In my case, I'm going to apps, I'm going to Google. Now when Google loads up, go to the search bar and just type the app you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for the Fawesome app. So I see a suggestion, Fawesome app, and I clicked on it. I'm interested in the one from play.google.com. That's the link I'm clicking. And now that I click on that link, I have this install button right here. Clicking on install, this is going to start pending. After pending, the app is going to download, and immediately the download is complete, this app is going to install on my Android TV. So you can see 100% download completion, and now the app is installing. Immediately the installation process is done, you could access the app on your app library. Alternatively, you could click on the open button right here on this page, and that will launch the application ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you found it insightful, if you found it informative, if you're able to get a Fawesome app, if you know how to get a Fawesome app right now, click on that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.